Imagine turning the key. The engine fires up, but something just feels off. The idle is shaky, the throttle response isn't right, and fuel seems to be disappearing faster than usual. A lot of people don't realize it, but in many cases, the real problem starts with one small part doing a very big job: the fuel injector. Fuel injectors are precision parts that control exactly how fuel enters the engine. They don't just spray fuel randomly. They deliver it in a very specific pattern, at the right moment, so it mixes properly with air and burns cleanly. When that process is even slightly off, engine performance drops almost immediately. On older engines, injectors had a bit more forgiveness, but on modern engines, especially gasoline direct injection setups, injectors sit right inside the combustion chamber. That means they're exposed to extreme heat and pressure every single time the engine runs, and that makes them far more sensitive to failure. When a fuel injector starts going bad, it's rarely just a small annoyance. Left alone, it can snowball into serious engine damage. That's why recognizing the early warning signs can save you from expensive repairs later on. One of the first symptoms most drivers notice is a rough idle or an engine misfire. This happens when an injector isn't delivering the correct amount of fuel to a cylinder. That cylinder can't burn properly, so the engine starts to shake, stumble, or feel uneven, especially when you're stopped at a light. Sometimes it's subtle. Other times the whole car feels like it's vibrating. On diesels, this often shows up as a rough, shaky idle or misfire-related fault codes. The problem usually gets worse under load or at higher RPMs when the engine needs precise fuel delivery the most. As injector problems progress, performance issues become more obvious. You might feel the car surge forward unexpectedly, hesitate when you press the gas, or even stall out. This happens because clogged or failing injectors can't maintain consistent fuel flow. One moment the engine is starving for fuel, the next it's overcorrecting. That jerky feeling while driving is a classic sign. In some cases, the engine becomes hard to start because there simply isn't enough fuel getting into the cylinders at startup. Another big red flag is poor fuel economy. Bad injectors can cause fuel mileage to drop in different ways. If an injector is clogged, the engine computer tries to compensate by adjusting fuel delivery elsewhere. If an injector is leaking or stuck open, raw fuel is dumped straight into the cylinder. Either way, fuel is wasted. Modern cars track this through fuel trims. When injectors are dirty, the engine computer has to keep them open longer just to maintain normal operation. Once those corrections go beyond a certain point, the check engine light usually comes on. Before we continue, please like and share this video and subscribe to AutoVFix. It really helps the channel grow and lets us keep bringing you real-world fixes that actually work. Fuel smells are another warning sign you should never ignore. If you notice a strong gasoline odor, especially around the engine bay or exhaust, it could mean an injector is leaking. That's not just wasting fuel, it's a serious fire risk. On top of that, leaking or poorly atomized fuel doesn't burn completely, which increases emissions. Vehicles with injector problems often fail emissions testing because of high hydrocarbons, soot, or nitrogen oxides. Exhaust smoke can also point straight to injector trouble. Black smoke usually means too much fuel is being injected. White smoke often means raw, unburnt fuel is passing through the engine. On some engines, you may even notice a bluish haze if internal damage has already started. Diesel engines in particular make injector problems very visible through exhaust smoke. Now, let's talk about why injectors fail in the first place. On GDI engines, injector deposits are a huge issue. Because the injector tip sits inside the cylinder, carbon buildup forms directly on the nozzle. These deposits restrict fuel flow and distort the spray pattern. Instead of a fine mist, fuel comes out in heavier droplets. That fuel doesn't vaporize properly and can hit the piston or cylinder walls, creating soot and hot spots inside the engine. Over time, this leads to poor combustion and increased wear. Inside the injector itself, things get even more complicated. Fuel rushing through tight passages creates pressure changes that can cause cavitation, tiny vapor bubbles forming and collapsing. A little of this helps atomize fuel, but excess cavitation caused by rough deposits actually blocks flow and reduces efficiency. There's also something called flash boiling, where overheated fuel suddenly expands as it enters the cylinder, collapsing the spray into a single stream instead of a wide mist. When that happens, air and fuel simply don't mix the way they should. Diesel injectors face even harsher conditions. Contaminated fuel is one of their biggest enemies. Dirt or water can damage internal parts very quickly. On some systems, if the high-pressure pump fails, it sends metal debris through the entire fuel system and wipes out every injector at once. Excessive heat can also warp injector internals, especially when engines run hot or worked hard for long periods. So, how do you actually confirm a bad injector? Professionals start with simple checks. Visual inspections look for fuel pooling around injectors or rails. A solenoid click test can tell you whether the injector is even responding electrically. On certain diesel engines, fuel leaks can show up in the engine oil, which is a dead giveaway. Scan tools are extremely helpful here. Misfire codes, injector circuit codes, and live misfire counters can pinpoint exactly which cylinder is acting up. Advanced diagnostics can even catch injector issues before the check engine light turns on. One of the most accurate tests is a fuel injector balance test. This measures how much fuel pressure drops when each injector is activated. All injectors should cause roughly the same pressure drop. If one injector barely changes pressure compared to the others, it's restricted or failing. At a more advanced level, technicians use oscilloscopes to analyze injector waveforms. A healthy injector creates a small signature in the signal when the internal pintle moves. If that signal is missing, the injector may be mechanically stuck even though it's receiving power. Some vehicles are especially known for injector problems. Certain diesel platforms experience sticking issues, delayed throttle response, or internal leaks that mimic injector failure. Some turbocharged gasoline engines are known for injectors that stick open and flood cylinders, sometimes causing severe engine damage during startup. Ignoring injector problems is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. Unburnt fuel can overheat and melt catalytic converters. Leaking injectors can fill cylinders with fuel and cause hydrolock. Excess fuel can wash oil off cylinder walls, leading to permanent scoring and loss of compression. Fuel can even contaminate engine oil, thinning it out and accelerating wear across the entire engine. The good news is that many injector problems are preventable. Using quality fuel and injector cleaners can help control early deposits. Professional cleaning services can restore partially clogged injectors. When injectors are worn or damaged, replacement is often the best option, and on many engines, replacing them as a set ensures balanced performance. Proper fuel system maintenance, including regular filter changes, goes a long way toward extending injector life. When you think about it, a fuel injector works a lot like a shower head. When it's clean, it produces a fine, even spray. When it's clogged, the spray becomes uneven and harsh. Just like you wouldn't expect a broken shower head to work properly, an engine can't run cleanly without properly functioning injectors. If you're dealing with rough idle misfires, poor fuel economy, or strange exhaust smoke, don't ignore it. Catching injector issues early can save your engine and your wallet. Thanks for watching AutoVFix. If this video helped you understand fuel injector problems a little better, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.